Want to crank up your laptop's graphics and make those visuals pop? Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the Nvidia control panel. Click the search icon on your taskbar, typically in the bottom left corner, and type Nvidia control panel. Once you find it, click on the Nvidia control panel application to open it. If you can't find it, make sure the program is installed. If not, you will need to download and install the driver for your graphics card. Great! The Nvidia control panel is now open. On the left side, you'll see a list of options. Find the display options and click it. From the display options, select adjust desktop size and position. Here, you can change how the screen appears. At the top, choose your display, then change the scaling mode settings to full screen, and make sure perform scaling and Euro is set to GPU. The options may vary based on your setup, but ensure you are using the GPU to boost performance. Next, from the display options, choose change resolution. Here you can change your screen's resolution and refresh rate. Be sure to select the highest resolution and refresh rate that your laptop's display supports for the best visual experience and performance. Once all the adjustments are done, hit apply, and your changes will take effect. Be sure to navigate the other display options like adjust desktop color settings to fine-tune visual aspects. Experiment with different settings and find what looks best for your games and applications.